Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Yurko here, and today we're gonna start a revolution. Woohoo! Revolution, baby! All right. Well, not that kind of revolution. We're like a turning around kind of revolution. Like wheels on the bus go round. Oh, now you know that song stuck in your head. All right. Anyway, um, we're gonna go ahead and round some things up, or make some things round. There is a video demonstration here inside the lesson, as you can see, provided by Learn It Do and Make It fella. And of course, you can see the video that we're making right now. We open up this activity. When you get in here, you can see we have some activities at the top. There's lesson links to some previous activities. So back to this activity, back to our earlier Onshape activities. If you want some help and get stuck, just familiarizing yourself with some of the Onshape stuff you want to review. As we work through the activity today, you should have completed the warm-up already by the time you're watching this video. Video overview is going to be right here. Of course, you're watching it. And in this assignment, we're going to use Onshape to learn about the process of designing revolved parts. So not a fighting revolution, but a turnaround, like a spinning top kind of revolution. We'll be developing round parts for our designs. Things like table legs, baseball bats, pens, round stuff. It's a Revolve tool. It's simple, it's fun, and here's how you do it. So, of course, like I said, by now you should have completed the warm-up. You should be watching this video or the other video above. And then we're going to open up your Onshape account, which I have already opened mine. There's a click link here if you need to go to it. Go ahead and open it up. And then here's the link to the problem set for this activity. In this activity, there's going to be a problem set. And right now, when you get in here, you'll see there's a series of example models that you're going to try to make. And then there's the extension one where you're going to see how far you can go and create your own cool stuff. There's the video already shared before. Right now I'm going to demonstrate how to make the donut and do the first problem. So the example here is this donut, which is or toroid. It's a circle revolved around an axis. So the way this works. So here's what we're going to make. I go ahead and delete those and get you back in your ground one. So when you open up Onshape and you're in your new part studio, we're going to click on Sketch. We're going to go ahead and choose our front work plane. And I'm going to hit the N button on my keyboard so I can look flat on there, and hit the P button on my keyboard to turn off the planes. I'm going to go ahead and create a line to serve as the axis. And then we're going to draw a circle to be the profile for our part. So in its absolute simplest form, a revolution is a profile revolving around an axis. So here's your profile, here's your axis. The profile needs to be closed, which means it'll be shaded blue here in Onshape, and your axis needs to be a straight line. So here we go. Go ahead and create that donut. So in the past we used the extrude tool. Now we're going to use the revolve tool. We're going to come down here. We're going to call this donut. And what is the surface that we're going to create? We're going to use this surface. And what is our axis we're going to choose? The revolve axis. So click on revolve axis, and we're going to click that vertical line. And that's it. That's how you make a revolve feature. Not real hard. Pretty straightforward. So the next step I'm going to do, we're going to go ahead and snip this. Make sure I get my name in the example so that we know this is yours. We're going to paste it into your slideshow. But wait! The slideshow is not letting you paste. You go to paste and nothing's happening. The reason it's not happening is because right in here, yours probably reads view only mode over here. So we need to go ahead and create your own personal copy. Click File, make a copy. You have to be signed into Google. You can use your school email address to do that. Make a copy of the entire presentation, and we're going to click OK. So now you have a slideshow that you'll be able to edit. We don't need this slideshow anymore. It will be called Copy of Revolution. Now it's your copy. You can put your name up there if you want. Probably should. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste that example that we created right here. And because I'm a dork, I'm going to go ahead and pick a border weight of 8 points to make it look neat. You don't have to add a border. But there it is. There's my donut. Paste it in there. Got my name on it. And ready to go. We're just going to repeat that as we work through the slideshow. When this assignment is all said and done, you finished up all, you're going to go ahead and download. Just going to click File, Download, and choose PDF document. So you downloaded the PDF document. This is going to be the file that you turn in when you're done. All right, go be awesome.